Hi Diamond Painters! So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Hogwarts castle from Camelot Dotz slash Diamond Dotz because it is powered by Diamond Dotz. This kit came from Joanne, so I hope you stay tuned to see this unboxing video. Hey Diamond Painters, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this Hogwarts castle that I just got from Joann's. I did use a 50% off coupon and was able to get it. I've been watching for it to go on sale and they've been running a 30% off deal, but I wanted to pay a little bit cheaper and I finally caught it for 50% off and I'm super excited. I love Harry Potter. So a little bit about the box. It is a Harry Potter one, which does have the Wizarding World symbol on it, which means it is authentic, and they do have the licensing right to it. The box doesn't give too much detail like the other boxes, but it is powered by Diamond Dot, so you will get the same quality of other Diamond Dot kits in this kit. It is a 23 by 0.4 by 23 by 0.4, and let's get to unboxing it. Also, I noticed that it says it's glow in the dark, so that's going to be cool, and we'll look at that. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Super excited. I did end up returning, if you have watched my other Harry Potter unboxing diamond painting, I did end up returning that because I just didn't feel right keeping a $50 set that I did pay 50% off, so what I paid for this set is what I paid for that other painting. However, the drills were not the regular drills. The picture was just, I just returned it because overall I was not happy. And I would rather have this diamond painting kit than that other one any day because I want the very pretty Diamond Dot drills that I love. Okay, I do love other companies, but I am in love with the Diamond Dot drills that had the 13 facets. Now, you might say, oh, well, other companies have 26 facets or whatever. Yes, but the way these are shaped, it's shaped like your diamond in your diamond rings, which give it just the amazing sparkle. Okay, so you get your regular toolkit that comes with all diamond paintings, so you can throw that to the side. Then, here's your drills. Sorry. Woo. So we got, oh, I got some pretty colors. We got 15 colors. Yes. 15 colors in this kit. The 4001s are your glow-in-the-dark drills, okay? Now, DAC, this is not DAC, this is Diamond Dots. Diamond Dots has its own numbers. They do have a conversion chart if you want to convert the drills to DMC colors. However, when I store my leftover drills, I store them to the Diamond Dot colors so I can put other kit colors in it. Now we have 4 blacks, so this tells you it's going to be a lot of black. So black, which is 310 in DMC, is 801 in Diamond Dot. We have some blues and grays. So this is the blue grays. Then we're getting into like the tealish green and some more grays. Okay, let me see if I could get you guys to see clearly if it focuses in on it. Might not can get it to there it goes. Focus. So those are the drills. And I don't know if you can see the facets on there or not. And then we get into, you have your dark blues. It looks like you have 3 packs of 8158, which looks like they might be the 939 DMC code. They're a little bit darker. But then you have your dark navy blues in here. Now, these colors are like the blue-green colors, and I'm It's 8182 and 8181. I don't think I have any of these except maybe a few of these from a kit I just did. But I am falling in love with these blue-green colors. They are really pretty. Then you have your yellow, which I'm going to have to look up. I don't know what 302 is. That's a new number. Or sorry, 3002. Because they're... I'm going to have to look up that color. I wonder if that might be their neon yellow. So I don't know if you can tell. And then their regular yellow. So I'll have to look that up. Because I don't think I have any 3000 colors. Now I know their 401s are their glow-in-the-dark ones. Alright, let's just put that off to the side. And let's get into this canvas. Alright. So you do have the thicker canvas that Diamond Dotz uses, so their canvases are usually a little bit thicker. This is a full drill, so you have your huge instruction sheet that comes in many different languages, which I don't need, so I'm just going to throw that over there. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's so pretty! Look at it! Oh, they have a smaller version that is not the full drilled one. It's just the little castle. It's like 20 bucks. But guys, I'm so excited to do this one. I can't wait. Isn't it pretty? Look at the detail in the castle. I mean, I know it's just lines, but I'm so glad this one came to the United States because I know that it has been at overseas, but over here it hasn't came until just here recently, and it was out of stock at mine, but my mom got it at a Joann's she was close to, and I am super excited. So if you need to, just to get it a little looser, you can hear that it's a little tighter. Now, my table's dirty, so I already got it dirty from the kids' food up here, but that's okay. So you could just roll it this way, and that will bring it out a little bit, and how flat it already is. But isn't it gorgeous? Let me show you guys the clarity of the, see if I can get the clarity of the, there it goes. See how clear the symbols are? Okay, very clear symbols. You have your key charts on both sides. Very, very pretty. I might actually change out some of the yellow, depending on what the 302 is. I might change that out to some AB drills because it's the moon. But the glow in the dark is all the castle. So at night, the castle will glow. And I think this is going to be so pretty. I can't wait to get it done and show you guys the sparkle. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube video. Please subscribe to it. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments if y'all enjoy these videos. And check back later because I have 2 more unboxings to do. Hopefully here coming soon. One from a new diamond painting company that I have never gotten from. And a DAC one that I'm sure you've seen, but I'll do an unboxing video anyways. So you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoy and have a magical day.